What's up guys, today I'm making another video with Maher, the pro gamer.
Okay, hello, and I'm gonna start my video now.
Yeah,
Hello everyone, welcome to my new video. Today we are playing Fortnite, shotgun only with my friend Picasa
yeah,
1981.
yeah, we are playing shotgun only indeed. If you guys
Yeah,
can hear him, you guys already know, but I'm not sure if you can hear him. So
okay.
let's go, where are we going to land?
Um, Misty Meadows.
Yeah, that's okay.
If you wanna see Picasa 1981's view, l- check his video.
And please subscribe guys.
Yes,
Oh yeah, and also I need more subscribers, so please subscribe to my videos.
yes,
And Maher the Pro Gamer, he only needs views, so you can just watch his videos.
yeah. And if you wanna subscribe.
Yeah, no pressure of course. Only if
Yes.
you wanna.
Uh, oh, players are shooting
Oh
me
yeah, I
already.
forgot it's shotgun only.
Oh yeah, it's shotgun only.
I just, I,
Land.
I,
I just land
yeah,
with
I
a
had
shotgun.
a shotgun. I didn't have a shotgun yet, but I
Oh,
didn't use
yeah,
one,
let's
so
go.
I think that
I
doesn't
say the
count.
best is tactical.
Yeah, probably. Oh, there's people.
I have a big. Al
One down.
Always, if I pick a big, I see a mini.
Yeah, me too.
And now I see minis.
It's not fun at shotgun. The things with AR onlys and shotgun onlys and pistol onlys, those things, you only have one type of weapons. You don't always have range. You don't always have short
Yes.
range.
Can I pick grenades?
Yeah, grenades are allowed.
Yes. And a shockwave?
Yeah, that too. Just not any other weapons than a shotgun.
Okay. Just not weapons.
No, it's a bomb.
Ah. Okay. Oh, a blue tactical.
Yeah, fun too.
Wee.
Again,
Ow.
people.
Hey, I not. I don't even know that.
There was like a super bad player with me, so I pickaxed him and then he almost killed me.
Oh.
Oh, but I can't
If
pick
you
up
want.
anymore. That's so blocked.
I have a blue tactic. I have a nerf tactic in real life.
That's funny. I don't.
You have a sniper air shot.
Airsoft. Let's not talk about that.
Uh, Players. Hello there.
No,
Hey,
they're not bots. They
oh.
can put some shots on you.
Hmm. There's another player.
Okay, they
Ow.
are bots. Hello.
Hello. Yay! Everybody here go up. Any city up, down, down. have only shotgun ammo.
Yeah, but I have more other ammo just because it's hard to avoid.
Coconut,
Some
coconut, coconut,
How's picking a
cocoa.
cocomelon? That's something
Cocomelon. Boom, 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 boom.
Oh my god.
Corn. I hate that noise. If I eat something, I hear.
Just correct mistakes you make while talking English.
Yeah.
I'll just learn.
Grenade. Okay, where we are going now?
Yeah, maybe I
Where we are?
I don't know. No.
Uh, the supply drop.
Where's the supply drop at?
300 meters.
Yeah, that's really close. Wasn't there a car here?
What?
I thought there was a car here.
Hmm.
Apparently not.
Why they are not? Why they are not mythic shotguns? That's gonna be
Or
cool.
they're not.
Oh. Yeah, my English is not very good.
Yeah, I watch a lot of YouTube, so mine's a bit better.
So I'm gonna start Duolingo. This is not sponsored by Duolingo, so.
Yeah, I also do Duolingo, but I do German.
Hij doet echt Duits.
Wait,
Duits.
okay, ouch.
Yay, Duits. Supply drop in the water. Phew. Oh no, scar. No. Oh, phew.
Why did we go to a supply when we knew nothing good was gonna come out?
I have this. Wee. Okay. It's not cool. Not good.
Seasons were
What? Why?
last
How?
season's bounds, but were way easier to use though.
Let me reload.
You could just run it into it and it will just launch you. Then you have to check out. Ah, dang it. It's annoying you can't use an AR.
Yes.
Maybe after this game, if we die or win, we could do pistol only.
Yeah.
Yeah, pistol only is very fun. Just
This fish.
There's players over there. Didn't notice?
No.
Oh, they're going away there. Too bad.
Okay, I'm gonna kill him. Gonna kill that player.
Come on, get in boat.
Yeah. Okay. Oh. Okay.
Maybe we should
Run. Bye. Ouch. Yep. Oh, I'm here. I am here. I am. How good aim they have.
Or they're just lucky.
Yeah, or they are lucky. This video is gonna be a long video, I think.
I don't think so.
But it's not my first long video. My longest video is the... Oh, players!
Yeah, I noticed. Oh, they're
Ew.
here. They're here.
Ow, hey, wait for me!
Oh,
Oh no, oh no. No!
Alright, we're doing AR only or what?
AR only, yes.
Okay.
Or sniper only.
No, I don't think so.
Okay, AR only. Yeah, no.
Last, I think a few seasons ago, I did do an AR only video.
Yeah, I see it.
Yeah, but now there's a lot of new ARs in the game, so let's do it again.
Yay! There is the scar.
I think heavy AR
No,
suppressed.
they are from Youdis.
Yeah, there's Meowd's Pew Pew rifle.
Yes.
Are you gonna get the mythic AR? Or... Yeah, probably.
Yeah. But that's a rifle. You're gonna say it is a AR. Yes. Everything that have AR bullets, we can pick.
Ammo.
Ammo. Okay.
Bullets is also with AR ammo. Is, I think a nicer way.
I needed something with some
Kind of
Bobby
clever how
I'm
we
on the
talk about these things while making the video.
Yeah.
And now bullets
Nah.
as well right now.
The drum gun is counting.
What's this? Oh yeah, drum gun is also an AR. Although, yeah, you use AR bullets, but yeah,
It's an AR.
yeah. What a weird battle bus.
Yeah.
Like, look at the back of it.
No, it's all here.
What? Oh my god.
Yeah. Yes, I'm eating sour candy. Oh my god! Have you seen the people that's landing here?
3 people.
Oh, that's good. Why 3?
Oh, yes.
And I have a shotgun.
Yeah, I don't have any weapons.
Oh. We.
I'm just stuck in air vents.
Finally a drum gun. I have tactic.
Help me. Help.
Meowdis, I gonna kill you. Oh no. Rest in peace. A cat. Ow. No, I'm dead.
Yeah, I don't
I have an AR.
Oh, finally.
Oh, finally.
Yeah.
And you're 1 HP. And you're dead.
Alright, let's retry that.
Yeah.
Return.
Doe hem jou dus.
So, are we still gonna land there?
Yeah. Oh, that's sour. It's really sour.
I think it's really funny day.
I'm eating sour candy.
Candy is candy.
Okay.
Sour candy is a type of candy,
Yeah.
so it's still candy.
There are 3 types of 4 types of AR in Fortnite Remix.
Ooh, 4?
Yes.
Oh, done more.
A silent AR, the drum gun,
Oh yeah.
the normal AR, and want that
Suppressed
I
AR
yes.
and
I have
heavy AR,
I have 3 of
MP rifle. And it,
they are,
oh no.
they don't have I have all the
Heavy
ARs.
AR is in the reloads.
Yes. All my sour candy is gone. Yeah, I'm level 29. But I was level 28. 180. What? Huh? There are a lot of players that's coming. I'm gonna land here. At one and only island.
What would be fun?
Yeah, it is AR only.
Viewers answer type in the comments every single time.
Don't say it, please. No, 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 no.
I got no job.
No. So you need to talk pew pew. I have no AR.
I do.
No. I don't find the AR. 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 I found AR bullets, but I don't have a gun. Why I have not a gun? I have a grenade, but not a gun. I found everywhere. I think I found an AR. And no, it's an SMG. Finally, a weapon that's used AR. Finally, AR. Do I need to kill the boss?
Really good players.
Okay, I'm coming. I have a blue AR. Yes, they are killing the boss. Okay. Need I to? Yes.
I don't think you should reboot here though.
Yes, I do. Oh no, I know that. I'm gonna not do it. Ha 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 ha. I'm glitching. I'm glitching.
Build. Build behind you.
I have. I have. I have no builds.
Okay.
Mets. I'm picking a med kit. Med kit. Kit. Med kit.
Okay, now
I have Uriah also.
you know what I should do? You know what you should do? Sorry, you should do? I
Yes.
think
What?
you should probably use the like smoke thingies to go flying in the air and then
Yeah.
go reboot at Frenzy Farm.
Okay.
Don't die.
Bye. Another time.
No, you're dead.
I'm not. How?
Alright,
I'm dead. But how?
what are we going to do? Another challenge? Yeah.
Go first to the lobby.
20 minutes.
21 minutes.
Yeah.
Um,
We can stop or what?
I don't really
Let's stop
not
it
know.
and just make a video. Like something.
Okay. Bye everyone.
Bye everyone. Please
Sure,
subscribe
if you
to
want.
me and my friend
Maher the
Maher the Pro Gamer. Hope he says the same though.
Yes. And if you wanna subscribe, subscribe.
Oh yeah. Also, no pressure on the subscribers, of course.
Yes.
Only
It's free. It's free.
It's
But
free. It's not much for you guys, but it's a lot for us.
yes. So bye.
Bye.